getting off the floor. And then, who said they're going to volunteer? Who was it? Oh, I like the pointing. I like the pointing to each other.
You was exercise. You
Perfect.
go like this.
Okay. So I'm going to demonstrate first.
You were asking questions. You want to know.
Oh man, pure pressure. These people. They're still in high school.
Is someone going to lie down on that?
I'm gonna demonstrate first.
Well, let me ask you a question
Yes.
about walking.
Yes.
That is, that it's nice to stand this way, but if you try to just walk without bringing this foot over here, you fall over, you know?
So lift your knee.
Huh?
Lift your knee up.
Okay.
So when you walk, bending your knee.
Ah, that's interesting.
It's coordinating. It's once you. The problem is once you change one thing with your biomechanics, everything's have to change with it too. It's one from your feet to your head. It's one chain. So you have to change your whole mechanics when you change one thing. But over time, your body will adjust to that. But the motion gets you to adjust it. So as you do it more and more, you go from awkward to weird, like you're junior high school, to actually feeling okay. That's why walking, motion, everything you're doing takes time to train. Okay? Getting off the floor. The big thing you want to do when you get off the floor, first of all, if you're on the floor, make sure you really hurt yourself. Make sure nothing is broken or torn, because you hurt yourself more. By disclosure. If you fall, don't get up right away. Do your own assessment from moving your hands, your feet, contract your legs, contract your arms, move your back a little bit. Make sure nothing is sore or sharp pain with motion. What we all do when we fall, we go, as at least I do, maybe it's just me, I go, first of all, did anyone see me fall? Should I be embarrassed? How much pride should I put in my head? So I want to get up right away and go, look around like, yes, no one saw me again, I'm good. Okay, or like, oh, sorry about that, I had something on the floor over there, you got to watch out for that too. Okay, so you got to be careful with that. You want to make sure you kind of fight that, so you don't hurt yourself even more. Okay, I did a video a couple years ago with Herman, and I'm going to put the video in this video connection to watch again. 2 ways I thought about getting off the floor. So let me get my wallet off the floor, right there. If you end up on your back on the floor, number 1, okay, again we talked about, is assess your body first. Make sure your body feels like there's nothing sharp pain, or pain that can cause that to be more of a broken bone or a torn muscle. Okay? If you can, without having high pitched voice like I just did, is go either come straight up, if that's possible, or go on your side using your elbow to push yourself up on your side. The goal is how do you get on your knees to use your big leg muscles, push your body up over time. Okay, so if I go from my back here, get up on my side using my arms and hands, push myself up this way, and so I'm on both hands. Any questions about that? If it's possible there, can you get your leg over, your back leg over, and over time from here, push your hands up to get on both your knees in this position. Okay, from here, now bring your foot closer to your body. Widen your hands a little bit to go here. And also using your hands, again, either from this position here, coming up, straight up if that's possible, if that's something you want to, or here too. Up from here is bring your other leg forward, then push yourself, once you get your body and your hips underneath your ankles, so your center of gravity is going to be here, then push yourself up this way. Does that seem too complicated?
You know what I did?
What's that?
Same thing as you do, except I turn this way, land on my knees, and then I stretch forward like a cat,
Yep, and then push up that way.
and then come back.
That's step 1. Let's go one more time. One more time. This one first. So the goal is how do we get on your knees and use your legs to get yourself up once you're turned over. So here, you're stuck in your back like, oh man, I hope no one saw me. Right? First time. You're going to do first one. Nothing hurts. I move my joints, move my ankles, my legs. Turn my body a little bit. Feels okay. Okay, maybe I just fell. Go on your side, whatever you can do. hands here, hands here. And then from there, turn your body to get on your knees. And from there, go back on your heels, as far as you can. Roll your feet over, push your hands even further, and then come straight up. Does that seem easy?
I do that every morning. That's how
Doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt.
Can you lay down and I want to explain something?
Doug, go ahead.
Do it again.
Come here. Let's do it one more time. Yes.
Yeah, because my leg like that, right?
Okay. Yes.
And too tight when I want to make.
So go forward.
No, I want to do
Here.
tight and too pain.
Too much pain?
Yeah,
Is that
too
when you get
tight.
up?
Yeah.
So you want to slowly stretch.
I know I do too much, but still there, I have a pain.
You want to get that muscle looser and stronger. So I would do, for yours, I would do more squats, make your muscles stronger. Do that afterwards too. Okay? So last time here, make sure you watch the video or something. I come do it more times. I get too tired of it. I get exhausted this time, okay? Here, on my back, push one up on my back. Again, hands, legs, everything feels okay. Nothing's broken, nothing's torn. Get up a little bit here. Turn on your body. So I would do, okay, let's back up. Another way to do this is bring your legs up. From here, if you can lift your hips, turn your hips a little bit, and then get on your side, and push yourself up using your hands. Turn your body, bring this leg up, turn your body on your knees. From here again, the biggest thing here is try not to come straight up this way. That's going to be painful, that's going to be sore. That means you fall again to hurt yourself and hurt your pride again. Okay? Stay on your knees, go back with your hands so you can roll on your feet and get up either using something or your body, push yourself straight up. Use your big muscles to get up.
And this swallow sometimes so ice is good or
Ice is always good.
ice.
Ice is nice, they say somewhere.
Yeah.
Any questions about that?
Well,
Yes.
I took a bad fall the other day over at the college, just coming down a set of stairs.
Yeah.
Okay, and I thought I was stepping on the ground, and it turns out that there was one more step down.
Okay.
And I tumbled badly. And
Yeah.
I was embarrassed enough that I tried getting up.
As we all do.
And I fell over in the other
Yeah.
direction.
Double embarrassment.
So the important thing is that you don't usually plan to fall.
No.
And so you gotta sit, lay back, whatever it is. And finally, after the second fall, some people helped me around. But you don't plan the fall.
No.
You don't have
You're not a stunt double.
in a sense, unless you practice.
Well, and the goal is, can you practice this so you have the muscle strength and the mental ability to not panic, to do it slowly.
Yeah.
That point, if I rush that, I'm going to fall again and embarrass myself again.
But see, you're embarrassed. At least I
Yes.
was. People are coming down the stairs behind me. Here I fumbled.
Exactly.
I wanted to get out of the way, and it was,
It's going to happen. Okay, but how do we make sure we do it so we don't hurt ourselves again? Okay. Step two, or position two, if I end up falling on my stomach here, is this hard to get up or easier to get up when you're on your stomach?
Hard.
It's hard to get up, okay.
You just twist over.
Harder? Why?
Just twist over, then when you twist over.
I just showed you how to get from.
Roll over.
Yeah, that's it.
Is this should be easier because you've already in the same position you were before. At that point, use your arms and hands. Go up on your knees, and from there, come straight up.
That's hard.
You have to use your body, your upper body strength to roll back. So the goal with this one is not to push yourself, good question, not to push yourself from here up with your hands. It's to roll back, and then as you come back, go on your heels, and use your legs to push up. Does that make sense? It's still not going to be easy,
No,
but you don't want to use your upper body strength only to come up.
Yeah, nice.
You want to use your legs together with that to come up this way. Is that, and I'm going to ask you a question because everyone's different, is that easier? Or if I'm here already, right? I'm already down here, and I'm still like, okay, that felt good. Dang it. Come up. If I'm here, is it easier to go to one knee than get up this way? Or does that require more balance?
They make it sometimes without thinking, put pressure on your knee.
You gotta put pressure on the other knee too.
Yeah.
So trade-off is, do you want to use one leg to get up? If I'm here already, right? Do you want to use one leg to get up? Or do you want to use both legs to get up? What has more strength? Both. Both. It's normal structure. Both legs are stronger than one. But this position here, if you're more comfortable to go here, use your hands on your knee. So for example, like this, here,
Tension your thighs.
push it up with your hands too,
Knee.
on your thigh.
Yeah, because I did it on a knee one time and it hurt.
Yeah, so you're gonna put pressure on this knee, but that'll
Right above that.
help you get up if you go on one knee and push up this way. There's always whatever you want to do, but I would use both legs. If I'm here and I'm stuck here, I'm gonna go back on my heels and then get up slowly this way. Use my bigger muscles to help me up. Who wants to try that?
How do you
Yes.
straighten your leg? How do you
Oh. I do, for me, I'll do wall squats, straighten my back. Against the wall, heels off the wall, that point hips against the wall, pulls in head, the body stays straight, then my quads, focus on my quad strength, hold it for a second on the way down, come up, let the legs relax, come up, down again, hold it for a second, come back up. Yes,
I do it in that.
perfect, whatever works for you.
Yeah.
And the goal of this is, how do we exercise enough to make our body handle this without panicking, so that we can get up without causing a scene? Order yourself again. All right, any questions about that?
Yeah.
Well, you want to try that?
Yeah, I get up different.
Yeah, whatever works for you. See.
Am I straightening my back or what?
Let's see. Let's see your way to do it.
Well, okay, I'm face down,
Yes.
right?
Hmm?
And then when I push up, I push up like this.
Yes.
And then I put my both feet up there.
That's fine.
Yeah, but then I go straight up from here.
Yes, what are you going to use there?
My back.
Do you want to use your legs or your back? What's stronger?
I don't know.
Your legs.
My,
Your legs.
my balance
So-
is off.
So I would do this then, right? Because of surgery too. Instead of coming here and going this way, like make your legs straighter, go back on your heels, then go here this way. Try that and see.
But I have a balance issue.
I know. I know your history.
Story.
Go ahead, go. Get up.
I have refrain surgery.
Yeah. So there, now, from that position now, okay, no, not yet. Here, walk yourself back on your heels. There we go. Further back with the hands. Hands go further back, further back, further back. Hands on your sides here. Hey. Let's try it again.
That way you don't hurt your,
I had to go too far back with my fault. I had to go too far back. Okay, so here again.
Uh-huh.
So go back with your hands. Go on your, so start here, right?
Yeah.
Let's go back on your heels. Keep your hands in front of you. So see my heels here?
Yeah.
So go here. Now come back on your heels like this. Good. Now from that position,
I
now,
can't keep my feet down.
it's okay. Then from that position, now push yourself up. Use your legs.
Oh, it's harder.
Harder?
Yeah.
Okay, it's up to you then what do you want to do. But from here,
Except all my feet when I did that. And that's why I felt right.
so let's do this then too. Come over here. Let's do a wall squat. See how the wall squat feels.
I like the idea of practicing the
Your feet up, feet up.
So it does happen.
And then bring your feet apart, There. Now come down. Hold it. Come back up.
And I was told, I was never to let anybody help you up by taking your arm and pulling.
And then you should.
You gotta be careful of that, exactly, yeah, because they want to assist you right away, right?
Immediately.
Yeah. Okay, so give me a second. You need to put my feet underneath me. Thanks for your help. Give me a second. Let everyone calm down first, and then you'll think a little bit clearer.
Because they can harm me, but they can harm themselves.
You can pull themselves, they can hurt themselves too, coming down. Couple more times. Come down, push with your hands. Push back up.
extra caution to try to get it out.
Push, push, push.
No. Gravity, dang that gravity. Gravity.